Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's Satsanga, we will see Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4. Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4 sadhana can give you lordship of vast estate. It can cure diseases and make you the best dancer and instrumentalist. Let us see the introduction to this Satsanga. First, we will see the Sloka 4. Secondly, we will see the meaning of Sloka 4. Third topic, I will tell you how to do the sadhana of Sloka 4 according to the scriptures. And last topic, we will see the benefits of doing Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4. Now, let us see the Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4 is as follows. त्वदन्यापानिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः स्तोमेकानैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्याभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुनो. So this was the Sloka 4. Now let us see the meaning. Then I will explain it. O Mother, all gods and goddesses give Abhayadana and Varadana with their two hands. O Mother, you are the only one who don't require two hands to give boons and dispel the fear of your devotees. Devotion on your divine feet is sufficient to get your grace, Abhayadana and Varadana from you. So this was the meaning. Now let me explain the meaning. In Saundarya Lahari 3rd Sloka we saw Brahmadeva creates various worlds by using dust particles present on Mother Divine Lotus feet. And all gods and goddesses are taking shelter under Divine Mother Lalita to run the various universes. These all gods and goddesses require to lift their hands to give boons and dispel the fear of their devotees. The only mother don't require to lift her hands to give the boons and dispel the fear of her devotees. Her two divine lotus feet are sufficient and capable to give Abhayadana and Varadana to her devotees. Hence, devotion to Mother's divine feet is sufficient to get the grace of Mother Tripura Sundari. If you are truly devoted to Mother's feet, Mother does not let you fall in your life. She can give you whatever you want. It may be bhoga or may it be moksha. Whatever you want, she is always ready to give anything to her child, whatever you expect. You just have to surrender yourself to Mother's feet. She is always ready to guide you and help you in your material and spiritual life. So this was the meaning of Sloka 4 as per my knowledge. Let us see the sadhana process for this sloka. How to do sadhana of Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4. The sadhana procedure given here is according to scriptures. If you have taken Diksha, your sadhana process may be different, given by your Guruji. Please follow that procedure. If you are willing to chant the 4th sloka regularly, you can chant 108 times every day. Now let us see the sadhana process. First, clean yourself and puja sthana, puja room, clean your puja room and yourself. Your face must be towards the east direction during sadhana. You have to inscribe yantra of sloka 4 on a silver plate for 16 days of sadhana, or inscribe yantra on a gold plate for 36 days of sadhana. Light a lamp and invoke Mother by her dhyana sloka or prayer. Offer white, yellow and red flowers on Mother's feet or Sri Yantra and Sloka 4 Yantra. Make a sankalpa for 16 days sadhanas if you are willing to get overlordship of any empire or vast estate. Make a sankalpa of 36 days if you are willing to cure any disease or to become a great dancer or great instrumentalist. You have to chant Sloka 4 1000 times every day if you have to if you have make a sankalpa for 16 days sadhana, and you have to chant 3000 times every day if you have made sankalpa for 36 days. After finishing everyday sadhana, offer a prasada of turmeric pongal with red gram dal to mother and finish your sadhana with dhyana sloka or prayer of Mother Lalita. So this was the sadhana procedure according to scriptures. Now let us see the benefits of this sadhana. Benefits of Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4. The benefits given here are common benefits that every sadhaka can get. It is recommended to take the Saundarya Lahari Diksha to get all the following benefits. If your devotion towards Mother is true, then chanting this sloka every day 108 times will surely give you some of the benefits if your intention of sadhana is pure. Now let us see some of the benefits. You can gain overlordship of an empire or vast estate. You can increase your body's immunity power and cure diseases. This sloka grants freedom from fear and poverty. If you meditate on Mother's hands and feet and do your sadhana, it will make you an incomparable dancer or instrumentalist in this world. So these were the common benefits that you get. More benefits are gained by doing sloka 4 sadhana according to your devotion and karma. These were some of the details of Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4. In today's satsanga, we saw Saundarya Lahari Sloka 4 meaning, sadhana and benefits. In next satsanga, we will continue with other slokas. Thank you all devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.